Walgreens.
Hi, I'm Dick Wolfsey. How would you invest $1 million if it wasn't your money? This Butler student had to make that decision. Coming up on 24 Hours. News 8.
College classes can be full of pressure to perform well.
Isn't that the truth? And 24-hour News 8's Dick Wolfsey takes us to a class at Butler University where students' level of stress goes up and down like the stock market.
More than 50 local products.
Kevin Hitchin may be just a sophomore finance major at Butler University, but he has $1 million portfolio.
We also have Molson Coors Brewing Company, and they've done really well. Recently, they're up to almost $56 a share. And
Not really his money. It's part of Butler University's foundation, so the pressure is the same.
Now I kind of watch it more closely. I'm more personally affected by it, not only because it's Butler's money, but also I feel more like it's kind of my recommendation personally, so kind of our own kind of opinion is on the line.
It's an innovative program taught by finance professor Steve Dalvin.
And it looks like the market is up slightly for the day. If you think about yesterday what happened, the market was down quite a bit in the morning.
Once, Dalvin taught a class where the money was hypothetical, but the pressure was not the same.
And I find that the decisions they make are a lot riskier, not as real life, and they're really just trying to learn. When you put real money to the test, it becomes a lot more real life, and the decisions become more real.
During the bi-weekly class, students have to put their money where their mouths are.
U.S. Bank, their third quarter earnings came out a couple weeks ago, actually, and they fell 2%, hurt by higher loan losses in the mortgage banking and home building industries.
The course has taught Hitchin a lot about humility.
I mean, Walgreens did drop about 13% that day, and walking in the classroom, I was a little embarrassed as it was my choice of stock in my group's decision. So, I mean, it was kind of a funny laughter feeling in the class as my stock was the first kind of companies to really fall.
But Hitchin recovered, and so did the stock, and lessons were learned.
Good companies aren't necessarily good investments. I mean, just because you've heard of a company, that means everyone else has as well, and so the price probably already reflects that. So trying to drill down and find the underlying information and invest based on value, not what you know.
Students profit from the class, and the university has profited as well, outperforming the S&P.
We bought Goldman Sachs in the 180s when it was beaten down, and it went to 230, so we decided it had had its run, so we sold out.
As for Chris and Walgreens,
I definitely still shop there.
I'm Dick Wolfsey for 24 Hour. News 8.
Wow, that's a great idea. Real money they're investing there. For more information on this program, visit Dick's webpage on the features menu of wishtv.com.
'Tis the